Make this easy homemade espresso matcha latte, aka the viral dirty matcha coffee. No espresso machine needed and no crash. You'll get laser focus, big bold flavor, creamy, sugar-free, and is blowing up on social media and cafe menus everywhere. Now you can make delicious espresso matcha latte at home in minutes. Let's make it culinary grade or ceremonial matcha powder. Sift it nice and smooth because no one likes a lumpy latte. Matcha is powdered green tea, rich in antioxidants, focus, and calm energy. And when combined with coffee, aids in weight loss and wellness. So how do we unlock the ancient power of matcha? Begin by adding 4 tablespoons of warm water. Add a few drops of your favorite plant-based sweetener. Whisk it with the milk frother until smooth and frothy. Fill it with ice. Pour in about 6 ounces of chilled milk, dairy or plant-based. Then slowly layer your cooled frothy matcha right over the top. Creamy, clean, and crash-free. Need that extra energy boost and focus? Make it dirty with a shot of espresso and transform it into a bold, creamy espresso matcha latte, strong and packed with energy, without the jitters. No espresso machine? Just use a stovetop mocha pot or strong coffee from your regular brewer. It works perfectly. Prefer caffeine-free? Decaf's totally valid. Pour the espresso gently over the back of a spoon so it floats right on top. Want to give your espresso matcha latte a fun twist? Froth 1/4 cup of cold milk and spoon it on top just before serving to keep it creamy and fresh. So, does matcha really prevent crashes and jitters? You might be surprised. You've never tried matcha and coffee together? Hey, you're missing out. Here's a quick rundown of everything you'll need to make your perfect matcha latte and espresso matcha latte at home. Matcha contains L-theanine, which slows caffeine's effect, keeping you calm and focused. Add espresso and it softens the buzz. Plus, this sugar-free recipe means no sugar crash either. Just pure, natural brain fuel in every sip.